Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huang, Invention Credit Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales the application knowledge tactic for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International original education video courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. We already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Next class, we give this lesson hand action, leg action, and connect action. Many people ask how many quantity we need to do each day for this action. Good question. We give correct answer as 100 times. Shall we do more? No. Because after a few decades deeply research and back practice, we got a final conclusion is one action cannot do more. Because if do more, maybe will hurt your body inside some parts, some organs. So just keep 100 times each day enough for that action. Shall we do less? Of course you can do less, especially for beginner. You need practice, you need adjust the action, you need move correct. So maybe you can do less. However, when you got the professional, we also ask you to do 100 times each day in order to protect your health. Before do this 100 time action, we need to know some couple points for everyone. Number 1, the feet touch floor must soft, cannot make any noise, any sound. Number 2, the weight hold back and step out. The weight still not move. Just the big toe, second toe touch floor. And then 2 foot form T shape for good standing. Number 3, always keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. Number 4, the hand finger straight. Cannot do that straight as close as close. And deeply down. Yes, cannot do that. Down. And as close as your body. Then shoulder high with your body's one fly and raising ear side. Our body center line top, lifting yourself. Yes, back also same. Okay, we still need to count. Use the 2 different language. In here we choose the English and Hani. Somebody asked, why we need choose two kind of different language to count? Good question. The reason is protect our trip and long, far away bronchitis, pandemic, long disease, and many different kind of diseases. So we need to choose two kind different language to count. Somebody also say, excuse me, I cannot speak Hi. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose Italy. You come from Italy. You can choose Italian language and English. We only ask everybody use two kind different language to count. Of course, your eyes should look straight, smiling your face, and head think how can make that action correct. Okay, now everybody follow me to do that action one day quantity 100 times. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Somebody say, I cannot do that action because my hand cannot raise too high. Doesn't matter. You can use some action instead of. You can do that way and that. Then finally you can do that. But however, you do that actions, you must keep ear side. Cannot do that way, that. Okay, top. You only do that way, little by little. Trust yourself. Everybody can do because that's action, not complication. It is very easy. But somebody really begin cannot reach. So just use that action instead of step by step, little by little, little by little. Finally, you can catch. You can get the good point and do correct action. Then correct knowledge. You must correct knowledge. You can discover, make easy change in your life. Happy, enjoy, and easily at home to do Golden International Daily Actions. You gotta have it far away bronchitis, pandemic, and many different diseases. Of course, you can enjoy yourself happy life.